Then I told you my satellite is everywhere. I sent some of my representatives I sent them out to go and officially, we want to know who Wunmi really is. Yeah? I wanted to know the kind of family she came out from. Are they killer's family? She was in Shelulu delay. And I came up with a lot of investigation, which I'm going to be putting out to you tonight. But before we get there, before I carry you there, when Mohbad died on the 15th of September, 12th, I don't know, exactly time here, am I worried? The first thing we were told, yeah, Wunmi told us, somebody put an update. I'm not going to say Wunmi because I don't know who Wunmi was then. Mama Kafuin Shetri, Onigele Sonu, Apokojaye, Queen Wunmi, Hotel Eje Queen, Olori Kola Molori Oyeye, beautiful Olori, Sherry. So when Mohbad died, this was Wunmi's page on Instagram on that day, on that beautiful day Wunmi died. Now, Mohbad died. I want us, when I'm talking, I like to put myself in people's shoes. Am I communicating? Am I being anything? Yeah. Okay, let's assume my fake husband died. I don't have one. And I'm not in pain that I don't have one. Okay? So don't pity me. Yeah? Now, when Mohbad died, let's assume I have a fake husband, a fake boyfriend that died. And will you even have the intention to get a phone to start updating? Wunmi had about 9 updates on that beautiful day when Mohbad died. Wunmi put update major. How did Wunmi see the phone? Now I want to tell you, Wunmi will be okay to type to put an update there. Do you know why? Because she was in the car when Mohbad died. She was with Mohbad 24 hours, 72 hours, 48 hours when Mohbad died. So she knew what she had done. So she was prepared for what to put out there. Am I communicating? Now, Eba Midiemu, hold that to your left hand so that you not eat with it. Now, Mohbad died. When we put the first update, I became a wife on this day. This nigga is so intentional about me. Says who? Mohbad was never intentional about you. You forced him into the relationship. You forced him to settle down with you. You forced him to have an introduction with you. The plan was an introduction. Mohbad's mother and your mother, the plan together to turn the introduction to an engagement. Wunmi, I beg your pardon. Wake up from your slumber. Mohbad is never intentional with you. All you did with Mohbad was under duress, was under the influence of magic powers, which is juju. Yeah? He's so intentional about me. No one is perfect, but he always makes sure I don't lack. Wunmi, spare me your freaking fuckery. When you are looking for the most lying woman on earth, the award should be given to you, Wunmi. Am I communicating? He never made you lack. You are the one holding the key, the card, the account to all what Mohbad had. So you made yourself rich. Mohbad, not Mohbad. Okay? You lie a lot. This is one thing I don't like about you. You are a liar. You can lie. When you lie, a dead person will wake up. I'm sure when they take you to Mohbad's mortuary, when Mohbad is in, the morgue Mohbad is, I'm very sure if you lie one lie, Mohbad will get up.
How does payroll...
Morgue Mohbad is, I'm very sure if you lie one lie, Mohbad will get up. She's so comfortable in lying. Olori buruku ọmọ kékeré. But he always makes sure I don't lack in every areas of my life. Most artists don't do wedding. Can you see? Can you see this girl? She's a fake. Fake as in the fake from the pit of hell. Do you see? The wedding is not a problem. A problem is just she wants comparison. Can you see what she said there? I will put all these things on so that why the comparison? They don't want to settle down because they know many of you ladies, you just want to kill them. You want to come close to them, have baby for them, and kill them. Many of you ladies out there, dating celebrities. You have your mission. You don't love them. You love what they've got. If they were poor today, when you saw, if Mohbad was still doing his carpentry job, this nuisance, this non-entity will not say that Mohbad is passionate about her. Passionate about what? He's passionate because what he don't wear, passionate about your most artists don't do wedding. Says who? Are you comparing yourself with artists? They don't want to do wedding because they are too young. Are you not getting something? Dumb skull. Many of them don't do wedding because they are too young for wedding. But just because woman, she has her own intention. She was planned into the boy's life. That was why you forced him to do it. It was not Mohbad's intention to do that wedding with you. You were looking for a child. You were looking for a child. Mohbad was never crying for a child because Mohbad is still young. Mohbad came from a very poor family. Trash. He was planning to raise his sisters, his brothers, his family up. Mohbad's intention was not to marry. Point one of all these young stars, young celebrity, that the next thing they want to do after attaining greater height is for them to marry. Nobody wants to marry. They just want to use you as a vessel. They want to use you as one of their flings. Now you saw Mohbad. Mohbad was vulnerable. The mother is another nuisance that had gone with another prick, another owner to an herbalist. You saw that Baba Mohbad was not there. And Baba Mohbad used to be there, but your mother, he manipulated Mohbad's destiny. She manipulated Mohbad and told Mohbad to be careful of his father, that his father is behind all his predicaments. Am I communicating, my people? Now, Wumi is now saying none of the celebrities did a wedding. Wumi, it was not from Mohbad's mind to do a wedding with you. When Mohbad got to Mariam's house, they told him there is this inqualejo, what they used to give to visitors to lick. Mohbad lick it. After Mohbad lick you, because all the people in Mariam's house, they've gone through that bridge, that Okitipopa bridge. They now gave it to Mohbad to taste. Mohbad tasted the fruit of Eden, and you hooked him there. Now, so don't ever say that many celebrities don't do wedding. They will still do wedding later in their life. But they are not just doing the wedding now because they know you chicken legs, toothpick legs, shows. Only most artists don't do wedding, but it proves how much he got me by doing hours. Now me no waiting there to me. No matter who I meet, it can never be the same. Can you imagine? Now look at this dumb skull. All she knows and enjoys to do is to shag. Shag friends together, shag father and son together, shag mother. She's the most shaggiest lady in Lekki. Did you hear what she said? She said most celebrities don't do weddings. But Mohbad proved to her, because of the wedding, is wedding a yardstick to show you a guy loves you? Wedding is not a yardstick. Some men might not even do wedding with you, but they love you, they can die because of you. But because she wanted to prove something, and she has a plan for forcing Mohbad to go into that wedding, she first of all went to look for a child. Mohbad was not quickly to give her one. She went to the king to get it. Am I communicating? Now she bought that child and thought she was going to use it to hook Mohbad. And she did. Am I communicating? Now, at the end of her update, that was the first topic, she said, no matter who I meet today, a loving woman, somebody that is in love, you are thinking of another person. Many of our mothers, many of all these ladies today, when they lost their husband, many people don't even think of marrying again. Look at this Ashana. Look at this Apakojaye. Thinking about nobody can be like Mohbad in not even 2 hours that Mohbad died. She said, even no matter who I meet, go to the palace. Go to the palace in Lekki. That is your baby father. Stop claiming where you did not walk in. Oh, she said that you didn't walk there. You didn't labor with Mohbad. You didn't suffer with Mohbad. Go and claim the king's property for your child. Until maybe when we are dead, that is when you will claim that property for Liam. Liam's biological father is that man. That man that is sick is like they put egg hole in his cheek. That is Liam's father. And stop saying this Mohbad. That was her first update when her husband died. Let's go on. This is the second one. The second one is the nigga struggled till death. So when you know he struggled till death, why are you keeping mute? Why are you refusing to tell us what killed Mohbad? The nigga, and you are calling your husband a nigga. Go and call your king a nigga. Your king is a nigga. Your king that does not know when to stop. Your king that does not know when to put his dollar under his thigh. He wants to sleep with everything in skirt. That is the nigga and not Mohbad. The nigga struggled to death. Too many pains, threatening. He has always lived with fears. Continuous fights everywhere he goes to. Because she's trying to establish to us, you know, that was when she said it was Prime Boy that killed Mohbad. Fight everywhere he goes to. Okay, live in fear and you claim you love that man. Mi ìbolórí búkú tó ń wá àdàgbà ijó tó ń wá típà tó sọ pé òun wá mọ́tò olè alápàtọ́kí ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ọlábànjí olè ṣèbẹ́rí tó lọ kí ń lé lánàá owó tí ọ̀fun ti tán ni olórí búkú mi ti ẹ̀rẹ́ pàtí àǹtí ẹlẹ́ni olóṣì first one tó fi ṣe yẹn ó bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún àkàrà ó bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún gbogbo ẹ̀ ó máa ń tọrọ jẹ ni ṣé àwọn ẹ̀lẹ́ni kó wá gbèjà kó wá sọ pé no justice for Mohbad ẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé lórí Facebook yìí homeless ni ọkọ̀ọ̀kan fún ní uncompleted building kan òun àtọkọ àtàwọn ọmọ ló gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ for months wọ́n tún gbé kó bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n gbà lé fún ni àràgà ṣọ́ọ̀bù ẹ̀ tí gbogbo network tí ò ju 20,000 lọ wọ́n gbà fún ni inú ilé tó ń gbé wọ́n gbà fún ni tí kò táwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ wọ́n gbà fún ni àtọrọ jẹ ni bùkátà ló jẹ́ ẹ̀ tó bá yí bá mi gún pàgbẹ́yìn wèrè tó wà tó wèrè lórí burúkú tó lọ tẹ̀lé lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ lánàá wọ́n yìí máa gún yẹn pàgbẹ́gbẹ́yìn ẹ̀ máa wò tí ẹ̀ jẹ́ ká máa sọ̀rọ̀. He has never been happy for a whole day. He was called a junkie. Wumi? He was called a junkie, a mad person, mental issue. So the public would have another view about him. He's dead at least. You all won. Take your trophy. Now, this is where I have another issue with this. Dirty hawk. Ṣé wàá tó máa ń pè ní hawk? Àwọn aṣẹ́wó Rita Lori. Àwọn olóbò town council. Olóbò souvenir. Olóbò buy one get one free. Àwọn ló máa ń pè ní hawk. Hawk sọ ma ṣe ń jẹ. Ọmọ ṣe kékeré. Ọmọ pè ní hawk. Now, she said called him a junkie. Yeah? She said they called him, they said he had a mental issue. Karimo told us this. We never knew about this. Karimo told us he had a mental issue. Am I communicating? Yes. Now she said, he's dead at least. You all won. Wumi, can you come and tell us who are the people that won? Even if you don't want to tell us the father of Liam now, you said you all won. Shall it be Timothy the problem for our Nigerian police name? Because by this time of the day, Wumi is the number one suspect. She said, you all won. Who are they all? So definitely she knew what killed Mohbad. Definitely she knew the people that killed Mohbad, but she just decided to keep mute. Do you know why she's keeping mute? Because many people that is involved with her that killed Mohbad, she knows when she talk about them, they are going to bring all her secrets out. So one job will she put her one. Let me continue. You all made me a widow at 24 years. Ọlọ́run ìdájọ́ rẹ̀ dà. Ìdájọ́ yẹn á dà fún ìyá ẹ̀. Á dà fún ìyá ìyá ẹ̀. Rábì. Á dà fún bàbá ẹ̀. Á dà fún gbogbo nǹkan tó tara ẹ̀ jáde wù mí. Àyàfi tó bá mọ̀ pé kò tó pa Mohbad. Nothing makes him happy no more. Even after seeing his baby. Which baby? Stop it and spare me your fuck with. Even after seeing Kábíyèsí's baby. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ bí ìgbà tó fi rẹ́ góòlù sí. Ó rẹ́kẹ̀. Ẹjọ́ òun àtẹ̀kẹ́ ọmọ ìjọra. Ẹjọ́ òun àtẹ̀kẹ́ ọmọ ìjọra. Ó rẹ́kẹ̀. Wọ́n ní ìbàjẹ́ àlùkì ìṣàlóyè. Ibi ẹ̀kẹ́, ibi ojúlẹ̀ ti máa mọ̀. Ibi ẹ̀kẹ́ àti ibi ojúlẹ̀ ti máa mọ̀. Wọ́n ní even his baby. Which baby? Why are you forcing the baby on him? Let us decide. Let the family decide. And tell them this is the baby. If you want to tell us that your son is Mohbad's baby, go and do DNA. Why is DNA so difficult for you? No matter where you go, no matter where you go, Mohbad's death will haunt you forever. You can never escape it. As sure as my living God, you can never escape it. She said, even after seeing his baby, he became more worried. ṣẹ̀tọ́ṣẹ̀ ọlọ́wọ́ bá wa dáríjì wọn àmín ọlọ́wọ́ fọwọ́n kẹ́yà Mohbad gbogbo nǹkan tó fi sílẹ̀ láyé bó tẹ̀jẹ́ pé kò ní nǹkan kan náà asán ló fi sílẹ̀ ìkà ló fi sílẹ̀ irọ́ ló fi sílẹ̀ ọlọ́wọ́ bá wa kẹ́ àtẹ̀sọ́run rere àmín. ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ. Only this nigga died few minutes after I posted the song 5 months birthday ara yẹ gbà mí. ẹ jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ búra mi kẹ́ tó bú mi ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fi bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ létà búrò mi búrò ya níwẹ̀ ni èmi ni mo fa búrò yìí ṣe má wọ̀rí ṣé wá rí eyín mi wọ́n ti yọ eyín mi lọ wọ́n ti fún mi replacement so lẹ́ bá máa screen grab mi mo ti búra mi náà ẹ jẹ́ àmà sọ lọ. aṣọ kan iná ni aṣẹ́wó ńláṣọ púpọ̀ aṣẹ́wó ríta lórí òkè ńláṣọ púpọ̀ ṣẹ́rí aṣọ kan iná ni another that was the 5th update níjọ́ tí mo bá di kú. This nigga struggle to death too many pains threatening they are always okay àti kàyẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ okay. Adéwálé ọba pọ̀ ni ìwọ ọmọ mi bó ṣe fine ọba lọ́la àjọ kọ́mọ olùbọ́ náà ní olórí oníbínú ni. ilé Adéwálé tí wọn dàbí normal bíbá ilé dàbí wọn pàmò wọn wá stretch ẹ bá. Adéwálé bàbá ẹ̀ á jèrè o gbogbo àwọn àfin lẹ́kì adórí oyè láyọ̀ àtàláfíà o ọlọ́run adé sí o ìwọ kọ́ ló ṣẹ̀wá o ìyá àti bàbá ẹ̀ ló ṣẹ̀wá bàbá ẹ̀ ló dẹ̀ ṣẹ̀wá nítorí ṣe nìyá ẹ̀ sọ fún bàbá ẹ̀ pé òun ò má rì ó tóòtọ́ àtẹ̀lé blame ọba because èmi kò mọ bàbá ẹ̀ mi mọ ẹ tó ń jẹ ògbó ìyá ẹ̀ Mohbad ọmọ dáadáa àwọn ò mọ ìgbà tó kú náà la mọ̀ so possible kí ọba gan náà má mọ̀ abẹ́gbọ̀n ẹ jẹ́ ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní the leader died okay àti kàyẹ́ ìwọ ọmọ ìṣá ẹ máa gbọ́kàn tó sọ ó ní Liam doesn't deserve this tell him he would only grow to know his father through the internet. Omi ó sábà tọ́ra ẹ̀ ó ní Liam ò ní mọ dáàdì Liam tó ti ń gbé lọ sọ́dọ̀ bàbẹ́. Ìjọ tí mo bá di kúṣẹ́ ìríra ni ó lọ rí náà ó wá sílé yẹn náà tó bá ṣú ọ̀fun ẹ̀ pé CCTV yẹn padà wọ́n bá wá sínú ilé yẹn náà ó lè sọ fún mi pé ìpàdé ìgbà tí mo bá di kú tán náà kí ló léyà mo bá di bọ́tà fún un lé kí ló lọ gba lé mi fún kí ni Bọ́lá Ṣúdà lọ gba lé mi fún fẹ́ Bọ́lá Ṣúdà òwìwí ó dàbí hóòlù ó dàbí ẹ̀rọ hóòlù ní ìyẹn tó wọ́n kí tó yẹ rí ó jẹ́ ká nígbà táwọn àwọn ṣá TikTok lè mọ fídíò ìwádìí ẹ mọ tí Ṣadé bá mọ fún ẹ pa tó bá fẹ́ yìí sí bájà ó jẹ́ dàbí ojú àwọn Chinese fún mi ìwọ sọ pé ilé ìyàwó ni mo jáde orí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì ló máa ti mọ̀ ó máa ń tọra ẹ̀ ṣá ó máa ń tọra ẹ̀ kò mọ bàbá ẹ̀ báwo ta ni bàbá mi ta ni bàbá mi ta ni bàbá mi yéyé o ta ni bàbá mi Liam ló ń kọrin yẹn o kábíyèsí wa dáná pé èmi ni bàbá rẹ èmi ni bàbá rẹ èmi ni bàbá ẹlẹ́yẹ o èmi ni bàbá rẹ kábíyèsí ló dáná lónìí ìyá wa sọ pé sọ́nà ni màá tún bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ pé mi ò ń parọ́ ṣùgbọ́n before then Wunmi gbàṣẹ Nicholas lọ́kọ́ lọ ṣe díẹ̀ ni àṣàlà náà ẹ jẹ́ ká wá máa bọ́rọ̀ wa mo ti ń gbé yín débẹ̀. ẹ wo kíni. This was Adura's update. Ìgbà tí Mohbad kú. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́? Wọ́n ní kò ṣe pé màá rọrùn wọ̀, kò ní ìdí máa lọ lálẹ́. Tó bá ti di 2 a.m. máa lọ sọ́run, máa wọlé gbà yìí. Tí n bá lọ lọ́sàn-án àbí ìdájí, wá rí mi. Wọ́n lè dá mi padà pé mo máa ń búyànjú. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́? Mo ò ní lọ lọ́sàn-án. Ẹ má máa sọ pé ẹ̀fún mi ń ṣèkì. Èmi kò lọ lọ́sàn-án mọ́, wọ́n máa ká mi mú. Máa lọ lálẹ́. Tó bá di 2:30 a.m. máa lọ lálẹ́. Ṣẹ́tìrì Àdúrà ló update máa kà fún yín ẹ bá mi fi ara balẹ̀ nǹkan bí àwọn yìí máa gbé yín débẹ̀ bí tá à ń lọ jìn. This is from Àdúrà Mohbad Junior's brother. Ẹ máa gbọ́ o ẹ máa lọ́ọ̀kẹ́ o mo ń lọ síbi kan mo ṣì ń kà kọ́ fún yín ni. I am Mohbad's brother. I am Mohbad's blood brother. I am 20 years old. He is the second born while I am the third born. Àdúrà ló sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. I live with my brother and his wife. They used to fight a lot. Ẹ mọ̀ wèrè tó ń gbé update Valentine sí. Tó sọ pé Mohbad is so passionate about me. What are they fighting for? Ẹ bá mi pé wọ́n threaten mi ìyá Mohbad. Wọ́n threaten mi. Tó sọ dídí bẹ̀rẹ̀ kẹ̀kẹ́ ní ṣẹpẹ̀tẹ́rì. Ẹ bá mi pè. Tó sọ Bukky Jesse di Bukky gbèsè. Ẹ bá mi pè kó wá gbọ́. Because wọ́n bí lọ́wọ́ ọjọ́ yẹn. Wọ́n sọ pé wọn kì í jà wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn. Ṣé ìfẹ́ ẹyẹ ilé ni àbí ìfẹ́ àdàbà? Ṣé ìfẹ́ tó ní sí bàbá Mohbad tó fi ń pè wọ́n ní Josie tó fún bàbá Mohbad ní birthday mú kan iṣá òun náà ló fún babaláwo òun ló fún bàbá Mohbad wọn ò ní birthday mú mi béèrè lọ́wọ́ òun mi small àṣàlà ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa sọ lọ. He is the second born while I am the third born. I live with my brother and his wife. They used to fight a lot. Ẹ bá mi àstẹ́rì kìbẹ̀ yẹn. They used to fight a lot in the house and most times it was my dad. Ẹ wo bàbá tó sọ pé kò ṣe dáadáa o. Ẹ wo bàbá tí tó ń ṣépè fún o. They used to fight a lot in the house and most times it was my dad that would come and settle it for them. Can you see that? Ìyá Mohbad, where were you in this picture? Absentee mother. Ìyá Mohbad, you betrayed your children while they were growing up. They grew up again. You betrayed them when they needed you most. Ṣé wípé wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ló wá ń ṣẹ́tù jà yẹn? Bàbá yẹn ló wá ń ṣẹ́tù jà. Ẹ̀yin olórí Boko Àpọ̀kọ̀dáyé group. Ìyá Mohbad is not in this picture. But you kept saying bàbá fẹ́ jogún ọmọ. Ṣé Wùnmí ni kò jogún yẹn ni? Àbádéyẹmọ Liam ni kò jẹ́. Kí Wùnmí lọ claim ogún kábíyèsí fún Liam. Kó yẹ claim ogún Mohbad fún Liam because kò ń ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ Liam. Kò ń ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ Liam. Ẹ̀tọ́ bàbá Mohbad àtàwọn fámìlì ẹ̀ ni. Wùnmí tó bá lọ pa kábíyèsí kó jẹ́ kó jogún bàbá ẹ̀ kó jẹ́ kí Liam jogún bàbá ẹ̀. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa kà lọ fún un. They also, they used to fight a lot. Ẹ bá mi tún àṣẹ́ríkì bẹ̀ yẹn. Àdúrà ò tí mo cloud ń bí o. Àdúrà ò tí mo bàálù ń bí o. Àdúrà ò tí mo fònà gàrú ń bí o. Tábà sọ pé ó wà under the influence of alcohol. He was speaking with his full chest. They used to fight a lot in the house, and most times it was my dad that would come and settle it for them. They also had a fight prior to the Ikorodu show, but I was not there when Mohbad and Prime Boy. I was not there when Mohbad and Prime Boy were fighting. So how did you know the faults? How did you know the faults? Ejo, am I attack Prime Boy the water? Prime Boy is very innocent, and you can see Prime Boy has been speaking his truth all over me, Dasi. Please, a ceasefire. Don't attack Prime Boy. Prime Boy knows a lot. That is why Wunmi is coming for him, and I will get there. fought. So Adura was not there. Wunmi cooked up the story and sold it to Adura. And I love this boy for one thing. Only I was not there. But it was Wunmi that told me the force. If I am to pick a prime suspect, am I communicating? If I am to pick a prime suspect, in who? Hello?
Hello, okay.
Kí lẹ̀ ń pè mí fún? Kí lẹ̀ ń pè mí fún? Mo ti pa bẹ́ ṣe ń pè yẹn mò ń pa ẹ̀jẹ̀ tún pè mí. Kí lẹ̀ ń pè mí fún?
Ẹ má bínú, ṣé àgbà mi jà ní sísá mi?
Kí lẹ̀ ń pè mí fún? Ṣé yàn kú ni? Ṣé Wunmi ti kú ni?
Rárá, mo ń pè yín pé kí n sọ fún yín pé ṣe ti gbọ́ mẹ́sẹ̀jì ẹ̀ tó ń sọ pé kọ́ máa di sí kíkọ́ ẹ̀.
Mo ti gbogbo ẹ̀ mo ti gbọ́ tí bá ti ń pa fóònù ẹ̀kẹ́ mọ̀ pé mo busy ni. Mo wà lórí live chat.
Ẹ má fi dùn ìyá.
Ẹ ṣe.
Ẹ ti wà lórí live chat, mo ti ń wá yín lórí YouTube ní orí.
Mi ní YouTube page, àwọn èèyàn ló máa ń gbé mi lọ́bẹ̀. YouTube page tí mo ní is just 40 something followers. So mo bá rí ẹni fídíò mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi kọ́ mo gbé sí. Àwọn èèyàn ló gbé sí. But mo wà lórí Facebook, ẹ má wọrí. Àwọn tó máa ń kọ́ tiẹ̀. Wọ́n máa gbé wá jábá dẹ̀ wà lórí Facebook ẹjọ́ ìwà tó bá wọlé òun TikTok ẹjọ́ ìwà. Wọ́n máa gbé talẹ̀ wá fún yẹn, má wọrí. Wọ́n yìí ń sè lọ́wọ́.
Ok, ẹ má bínú ìyá mi.
Ìyá mi ẹ má bínú. Ẹ má bínú ìyá mi, ìyá Wunmi. Ẹ má bínú.
Ìyá Wunmi kọ́ ọlọ́dún Jésù mi ò ní ṣe ìyá Wunmi o.
Ó dàbọ̀. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ mi? Only if I am to pick a prime suspect in who was behind my brother's death, and it is Prime Boy. Why is Adura picking a prime suspect when he had already told us he was not there? It was Wunmi that told him that Mohbad and Prime Boy had a fight. So why is Adura now picking a prime suspect? Ṣé Adura not daft? Ṣé Adura not were high on cheap drugs? Because you established to us that you were not there, but later you said if you were to pick a prime suspect, you would pick Prime Boy. Is that the story Wunmi cooked for you, Adura? Only more green bit me. Even though I want people in some man look at the Sarasha, show not to cloud you could shaking him. Only even though I was not there when they fought, Wunmi told me how everything happened, and I believe her. Can you imagine this plan? Can you imagine this plan? Can you imagine how Wunmi always cook up story to give to people? I am not going to be going to the front. Like your John, Mama Bemuwa. But what she said, Mama Bemuwa, I want you to back the Bobo Kini. But Mama Be posted. Can you imagine what Adura said here? He said, even though I was not there when they fought, Wunmi told me how everything happened, and I believe her. When we got home after the show, I stayed downstairs while everyone else went upstairs. Later, when I wanted to give my brother his phone in his room, I heard my brother and his wife fighting and arguing over Canadian visa. Wunmi, up till today, you have never said anything concerning the Canadian visa, concerning the fight you had with Mohbad. According to eyewitness, you had that argument with Mohbad, and you told Mohbad, not on your watch will you see Mohbad going to Canada without you and Liam. And Mohbad told you that until you tell me who the father of Liam is, you are not going with me to Canada. And the next thing you did was to get a knife and you fight him. Prove me wrong. Take me to court if you think I am attacking you falsely. Adura confirmed it. He was just covering you up. When Adura opened the door, Mohbad was in a pool of blood. But there's some way, kill me inside, don't kill me outside. Kill me inside, and you know you won't shall I Kill me inside, don't kill me outside. Kill me inside, don't kill me outside. I'm sitting, Papa Misita. Later, when I wanted to give my brother his phone in his room, I heard my brother and his wife fighting, arguing over Canadian visa. Before the nurse came into the house, before the nurse came into the house, kill me inside, don't kill me outside. Kill me inside, don't kill me outside. Kill me inside, don't kill me outside. Later, when I wanted to give my brother his phone in his room, I heard my brother and his wife fighting and arguing over Canadian visa. Before the nurse came into the house, my brother was ill and healthy. Before, Judy, veteran viewer. Judy, note it down. Judy, veteran viewer. Veteran viewer, note it down. Before the nurse came into the house, only before the nurse came into the house, my brother was ill and healthy. Okay. My brother was ill and healthy. Though I noticed some blood on Tuesday and the skin near his elbow. Can you all remember that they found a clothes cover in Mohbad's room where Mohbad and his dad used to talk when his dad goes to his house? They said they found a clothes cover full of blood. But change the narrative. Now, I prepared the noodles that we ate that day. Concerning my brother having mental issues, it is all lies. He was ill and healthy with no history of mental issues. It was Prime Boy that killed my brother, Adura reveals. That it was Prime Boy that killed my brother. Even with all this explanation Adura made, Adura were high on cheap drugs. Even with you saying you heard him and you heard Wunmi and your brother fighting, you are still insisting that Prime Boy killed your brother. When you even yourself, you said you heard him and his wife fighting, they were arguing about visa, and you even say your brother was ill and healthy before the nurse came. And you are still insisting, was Prime Boy there? Shall I do that? Yeah, if you got down to job. Can you see that the darkness of Adura? He took it from his mother. Because you was Prime Boy there? I don't know. They went to call him. About the our elephants, our lion. síbẹ̀ ṣe ti gbọ́. That is nǹkan tó ti kọ. Now mo wá fẹ́ play voice note kan fún yín sìn. Ṣe ti gbọ́ mi? Mo fẹ́ play voice note kan fún yín, àwa sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Oh Jesus. Oh, sis, this voice note is not coming. Oh, oh. Sis, if you are watching me, please send the voice video to my WhatsApp. WhatsApp yẹn gan ni mo ń lò ìṣá. Oh. Wọ́n send video kan sí mi ń bọ̀. No, ilé ìkan mo fẹ́ play, mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ play kan ni. Oh, sis, me lè play video yẹn because ó máa gbé mi lọ sáà lọ́dà kìnìún. Okay. Màá lè wo lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Please hold on. I want to play a video for you. Hold on. Then mo fẹ́ ṣàlàyé video yẹn. Ń bọ̀. Yeah, please hold on, yeah? Please hold on. I want to play a video for you. 1 second. Sorry. Either you like it or not, justice will prevail. Only come and play wàá sọ kókó lọ sọ́dọ̀ police Omembo station settled no case to answer ọba ti dé gbogbo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n màá sọ fún ẹ pé ọba kan wà tó ju ọba yé lọ wùmí màá jẹ́wọ́ fún ẹ pé ọba kan wà tó ju ọba yé lọ tó wà tí wà àti olóṣù kábíyèsí ẹ tó yẹ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ti wà ní state nìyẹn ń dó mo rò bókun ẹ ti wọlé ń sìn àbí bókun ẹ ti wọlé ẹlẹ́kẹ̀ egg roll bókun ẹ ti wọlé ń sìn ọlọ́gbọ̀n kan lèèyàn máa dó tí ò ní dómi mọ̀ ó ní beautiful two wives nínú ilé ọmọ tó ń ṣàgbádá tó ń ṣaṣẹ́ kiri ọmọ tó ń ṣaṣẹ́ kiri gbogbo lẹ́kì abẹ́gbọ́n kan tó sọ ó gba station lọ ó máa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà because ó ní confidence pé all stations settled no case to answer abẹ́gbọ́n ìtọ́jú ẹ̀ ló ṣe sọ with her full chest pé tí prime boy bá ní nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ ó gba station lọ. Now, mo wá fẹ́ play kankan fún yín. Ṣé ló mọ̀ yìí? Ó máa fi òkú òun gbọ̀ngàn. Bó ṣe rí pé wọ́n ti gẹ́ẹ̀tì voice note yẹn. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ mi? Bó ṣe rí pé wọ́n ti ká òun ti ṣì sọ lórí voice note yìí. Ṣé mo kàn tó wá ṣe? Wọ́n wá lọ edit, wọ́n lọ extract another voice note. Wọ́n wá play ẹ̀. Wọ́n wá appreciate gbogbo èèyàn. Ṣé ló mọ̀ yìí? Wumi? Shogi smartness to go smart here. You want to go to because the more you are coming out to talk, the more you are giving us things to know that you actually killed your husband. The more you are coming out to exonerate yourself, yeah. The more you are coming out to exonerate, you are putting proofs out there for us. Now, owa lo share video yìí, owa appreciate Emabo, owa gba tó wí pé àkàrà ti tú sèpò. Ṣé gbogbo yín dẹ̀rí bó ṣe command àwọn people yẹn? Mo sọ fún yín pé ó fáwọn people tó support yẹn lówó. Á fún wọn lówó náà ẹ̀rí bó ṣe rí ni. Alákìísà ni wọn. Ikọ̀ òpé kan nu wọn. Ẹ wo bó ṣe rí. Alákìísà ní gbogbo wọn. Ẹ lè lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wọn dáadáa. Alábọ̀dọ́ ni gbogbo wọn. Èyí tí ò tọrọ owó lórí social media. Wọ́n bọ́ wọn dó ni. So what do you expect from people like that? Ẹ wo bó ṣe command wọn jọ yẹn. Ẹ wo bó ṣe command wọn. Ẹ wo bó ṣe instruct wọn. Ẹ wo bó ṣe jágbe mọ́ wọn. Tó bá jẹ́ pé genuinely ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn, ṣé wọ́n mi ní effrontery láti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣé ó ní effrontery àwọn tó ń gbèjà ẹ̀? Àwọn tó ń feel wọ́n ń gbèjà ẹ̀ genuinely? Because ó feed wọn, she's feeding them. When you feed people, you talk to them anyhow. She doesn't give them any iota of respect because she's feeding them. Àbí gbogbo yóò gbọ́ ni. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n play yẹn fún yín kí tó wá play lè. No, ẹ jẹ́ kí n play lè kẹ́gbọ́. Ẹ lọ wo damage control tó wá ṣe. Ẹ máa gbọ́.
For him, I want to appreciate you for everything you've been doing for myself and my son. May the good God bless you. I appreciate. Ọlọ́run ò ní fi í sílẹ̀ o. Èyí tó bá gbé ní ọkùnrin ní ẹ̀mí ṣe ní ṣe ọkọ̀ fẹ́. Èyí tó bá lè ti jù mí lọ. Lórúkọ Jésù ẹ̀yìn tí ọ̀pọ̀ ọ̀sán kọ̀ọ̀kan gbọ́rọ̀ náà. Please guys, I want to tell you all that please do not give that boy any pass. What he's trying to do, he will not even want to try it. Because I have evidence of content being which has been my own family was alive because of the score.
Sorry, can you hear what she said? Can you hear what she said? Ṣé ti gbọ́? Ó ní ẹ̀ ní ṣe ọkọ fẹ́. Ṣé Mohbad la ṣe fẹ́ ọkọ? Ayé mi o, èdè dẹ̀ di ọmọ yìí, ó dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ síta. Ẹgbẹ́ ọkọ tó sọ, ó ní ẹ̀ ní ṣe ọkọ fẹ́. Ṣé Mohbad la ṣe fẹ́ ọkọ? Ìyá Mohbad olórí burúkú dẹ̀ jókòó síbi tó jókòó sí. Ó mú òkè àtàkàrà. Ó ṣe ṣàṣàǹgẹ̀lẹ̀, ṣàṣàǹgẹ̀lẹ̀, ṣàṣàǹgẹ̀lẹ̀. Wọ́n lè pe ọmọ ẹ̀ ní àṣìfẹ́ ọkọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún play fún yín. Ó ń bọ̀.
Lórúkọ Jésù ẹ̀yìn tí ọ̀pọ̀ ọ̀sán kọ̀ọ̀kan gbọ́rọ̀ náà. Please guys, I want to tell you all that please be here for myself and my son. May the good God bless you. I appreciate. Ọlọ́run ò ní fi í sílẹ̀ o.
try anything. She has a lot of evidence that she can use to nail Prime Boy. What is the evidence? Why are you keeping that evidence? Ó ti jẹ́ pé bàtí Prime Boy sọ̀rọ̀ ló ṣe ṣàwọn ẹ̀kọ́ evidence. Wùmí ìdí ẹ̀ ti wá ń ta. Ìdí ẹ̀ rùn. Àṣírí ẹ̀ ò lè bo. Why tó kọ evidence yẹn síta? Ó ti jẹ́ pé bàtí Prime Boy sọ̀rọ̀ ló ṣe ṣẹ̀fẹ̀ kọ evidence síta. Ìtorí pé Prime Boy is coming for you. Prime Boy is coming for you. Be ready. O ní kankan lọ́wọ́. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ní lọ́wọ́ ló kó. Ẹ̀pọ̀ ọba, ẹ̀pọ̀ kábíyèsí tó ní lọ́wọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń dúra yín bó ṣe ń lá òkú ẹ̀, bó ṣe ń lá òkú ẹ̀, bó dẹ̀ ṣe lóyún fún. Ìgbà tó lóyún fún tó ṣe photoshoot. Photoshoot tó sẹ́ẹ̀dì sí Mohbad tó sẹ́ẹ̀dì sí kábíyèsí. Òun ló ní lọ́wọ́. O ní kankan lọ́wọ́ tó lè fi lé ní Prime Boy. Prime Boy ló ní nǹkan lọ́wọ́ tó lè fi lé lẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún ká máa gbọ́ lọ. Shut up! Shut your freaking bola mouth up! Everybody, you will get this justice for Mohbad. You have the proofs. You have what it's got to get that justice. Why are you hiding it? Why are you keeping it? Why are you attacking people that are truly looking for justice? Why are you going for them? Why are you attacking them? Why are you sending your king husband to go after people in Nigeria that are looking for justice? And you are telling me you are a two-faced nuisance. You are a two-faced Ashewo Ashana. You are an hypocrite. The greatest hypocrite of this world goes to Wunmi Apokojaye. Why are you diverting justice for Mohbad? Why are you averting it? Why are you attacking people? Why are you paying people to destroy justice for Mohbad? Justice for one is justice for all. We are not even fighting for Mohbad alone. We want you, Ashana, àwọn aṣẹ́wó oríta lórí ìtẹ̀kùn ní social media. Tẹ̀lé máa wá àwọn ọmọ ológo kiri. Tẹ̀lé wá fẹ́ wọn tó tẹ̀lé máa pa wọ́n. We want to eradicate you all. We say no. No more killing of our youngsters. No more killing of our celebrities. And it has to start from Wunmi. Justice needs to start from Wunmi and his king husband. Àbẹ́gbọ́n kan tó sọ ni. Òkè ẹ̀ ti pé 10 months kò ní bàbá. Gbà àfin lọ kó gbé bàbá ọmọ ilẹ̀ lọ fún. Gbà àfin lọ bó tó o bá fi bàbá ọmọ yẹn wọ̀n. Bó pẹ́ bóyá. Tó o bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan kan. O ò ro ti ọjọ́ ọ̀la ọmọ yẹn. Wọ́n á máa fọwọ́ sí júlẹ̀ ilé bàbá ẹ̀ fún. Wọ́n á ní ẹ̀mọ́ ọmọ yìí ni. Ọmọ àlè tó bí fún tó ní Mohbad lónìí ni tó jẹ́ yẹn ọba lónìí. Gbé ọmọ lọ sáàfin kó lè fi porúkọ Mohbad. Ó porúkọ ẹ̀ títí náà sírí ẹ̀ tú sí ni. Òun ṣẹ̀ sí kiri àgbáyé ni. Àpọ̀kọ̀jáyé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa bí ẹ̀ lọ.
So no matter how they try to distract it, there will be justice for my husband. In the mighty name of Jesus, I do not have any power. I do not have any money. All those people supporting me, I have just been.
Ṣé ẹgbẹ́gbẹ̀jì ológun kà Wunmi?